Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Informed Career. In this video, we will discuss microbiology as a career. In this video, we'll discuss what is our nature, what are key skills required, occupations available, career analysis, and also recommend the best colleges in India which are offering microbiology for graduation and post-graduation. Is biology your favorite subject? Would you like to study about small living organisms like bacteria, fungi, virus, and etc.? If yes, then you should consider a career in microbiology. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms that are not visible with the naked eyes. These microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. This field is scientific study of these microorganisms. Here are the examples of questions a microbiologist or researcher might ask. Which microbe help keep the human body healthy? Can this microbe be used to clean up the pollution? What microbe made this animal sick? How can we keep this food product from spoiling? This discipline includes fundamental research on functional and clinical aspects of microorganisms. Microbiologists work in the various fields of healthcare, pharmacology, biomedicine, genetics, food production, technology, environmental protection, and forensic science. ಈಗ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ನೆಕೆಡ್ ಐಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅವನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇಂಥ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ. Psychometric cerevisiae, also known as baker yeast, is used in making bread. Curd is another example under this category. Lactic acid bacteria helps in formation of curd. And what are the roles and responsibilities for microbiologist? A microbiologist examines physiological, morphological, and cultural characteristics. They use a microscope to identify and classify the microorganisms in human, water, and food specimens. Provide laboratory services for health departments for diagnosis and treatment. Investigate the relationship between organisms and disease, including the control of epidemics and effect of antibiotics on microorganisms. Microbiologists research the use of bacteria and microorganisms to develop vitamins, antibiotics, amino acids, green alcohol, sugar, and polymers. Develop new products and procedures for sterilization, food and pharmaceutical supply preservation, or microbial contamination detection. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್? ಈಗ COVID-19 ಬಂತು, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಕಾಸ್? ಮೇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್. Then virus was identified, its characters was identified, and the vaccine was developed and it get treatment. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And prepare the technical reports and recommendation based upon research outcomes. Monitor and perform tests on water, food, and environment to detect harmful microorganisms or to obtain information about sources of pollution, contamination, or infection. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ. Observe action of microorganisms upon living tissues of the plants, higher animals, and other microorganisms, and on dead organic matter. Study the structure and function of human, animal, and plant tissue cells, pathogens, and toxins. Microbiologists research the use of bacteria and microorganisms to develop vitamins, antibiotics, amino acids, green alcohol, sugars, polymers. develop new products and procedures for sterilization, food and pharmaceutical supply preservation, or microbial contamination detection. And what are the key skills required for microbiology? Molecular biology, quality control, research analysis, and ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ PhDಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೋದು. And what are the career opportunities in microbiology? Clinical laboratory scientist, clinical microbiologist, microbiological analyst, microbiological laboratory technician, microbiologist, microbiology director, microbiology laboratory manager, quality control microbiologist, study director, and bacteriologist. Various fields and various occupations. And the salary and demand for microbiologist. Demand, salary, and fees, level of preparation all are medium. This field is like advanced. If you get into this field, you will definitely become a scientist, because you have to deal with science and microbiology, and you have to make a deep research to get the results, and then completing your research, you will completely become a scientist. Career navigator. 12th biology, B.Sc Hons Microbiology for graduation, M.Sc in Microbiology for masters, and if you need, you can also pursue the PhD. And second navigator is 12th class with biology, B.Sc Molecular Biology, then pursue PG Diploma in Microbiology. And third navigator is 12th Biology, B.Sc Life Science, M.Sc Microbiology, PhD. And fourth option is 12th Biology, graduation in B.Sc Biology, M.Sc in Microbiology, and then you can also pursue PhD. And if you want to check your career, are you suitable for this field, microbiology or not, we conduct a suitability test. You can contact us, we will conduct test, and we recommend what skills you have to develop to make a better choice. And for 10th and 12th students, we provide career counseling. If you need, contact us. We help you choose your dream career based on your personality, your career interest, learning styles and skills. For more details, contact us. We provide a career counseling. Thank you.